Hey everyone, Hank with Outer Rim Travels here, and welcome to EPCOT. Surprise! We had no idea this was going to be the plan for the day, but we're here to check out the all-new stage show, Celebración Encanto, and to try the foods. So that arepa looks actually really, really good. We're going to check that out and let you know what we think. Then we're meeting some friends over at our favorite, Teppan Edo, at the Japan Pavilion for lunch. So join me. It's going to be a really fun day. No rain in sight, so it's going to be a hot one, but at least we won't get wet. All right, let's head on in.
Yes, we started the day off with the Encanto performance, but had to try that arepa.
We're over here at the new little stage at EPCOT for Celebración Encanto. It's going to start in about 30-ish minutes, and you're excited to try the arepa?
Yes.
Is that all you've got to say?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well, we'll get your review right after. It actually looks really nice, so, hoping it is tasty. Let's dig in. All right, so it looks like the arepa was a huge hit. It's gone. I liked it personally. How about you?
I liked it. I just think it could have been a little more salty.
Salty? It's supposed to be sweet.
I like salty though.
Well, at least you got to put a little lime on it, right?
The lime made it taste better.
I didn't put lime on mine. But we're not Colombian, but we're from Miami, and I've had enough Colombian arepas in Miami to know that, this tasted actually very, very similar. Usually you have one thing is theme park food, and another thing is the actual thing. And this was very, very close. I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 stars. And you?
4.5.
There ain't no such thing. We got a 1 to 5 star system here, lady.
4.5.
All right. Let's check out the show.
Our primos are here to help us get the party started. Hola, mis amores. Qué bueno que llegaron justo a tiempo. And now that everybody is here, we are ready to play some EncanTrivia. And you know what that is, right? That's Encanto and Trivia blended together. Okay, let's see. On your stop. Here we go. First question. Mirabel has 2 hermanas. What does hermana mean?
Sister.
Sister, good job. Right, ahora, next question. What are her sisters' names? Shout them out. Luisa. That was great. Get this song. I love it. Thank you for the help with remembering these names. You know what? I bet I can sing the whole song. I know you can. How about everybody else? Can we sing along? Here we go. Vamos a cantar. Take it away, Mirabel. Vamos a cantar la canción.
And then, of course, we went through all the popular songs from the Encanto film, including, they started with the Family Madrigal. It's amazing how this movie is relatively new, yet the songs feel so classic and like they've been with us forever. Speaking of classic, there you go. We don't talk about Bruno, which of course is probably the film's most popular song. Everyone was singing along. And then you had Isabella's song, What Else Can I Do? Very, very cute.
You know what, Alina? I've been wondering, how can we possibly keep this from going? Espera, wait. I feel like there's someone coming. ¿Quién será?
The grand finale gave us Mirabel and Tío Bruno, who came out and entertained the crowd and danced with everybody. Kids of all ages were having a ball dancing with the characters. It's a really, really fun experience. If you haven't had a chance to check out this show yet, I highly recommend it over at EPCOT in the new Communicore section. And it will only be around for a few more months, so don't miss it. Really, really fun stuff. Who knew Tio Bruno was so friendly, right? And there's Mirabel.
We just got done watching Celebración Encanto and it was super cute. It's kind of a shame that it's only going to last till about September. Not sure what's going to be coming after that, but I mean, very cute while it lasts. So if you've got the time, definitely come check it out. Those songs never get old. They're still so catchy. Heading over to Guardians Cosmic Rewind.
This attraction opened a couple of years ago, back in May of 2022. It is still my favorite coaster at Walt Disney World. This was actually the first time I wore my chest mount camera to capture some of this footage.
We just got done with Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind and it was amazing as always. Loved it. We made a weird pose. My friend Lee likes everybody to make a pose, for the official picture on the ride. So we did these silly cat ears.
Yeah, we're super silly and played along.
All right, and we are off to World Showcase. Gonna have lunch at Teppan Edo. We love Japanese food. See you over there.
If you've been watching my vlogs for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Teppan Edo over at the Japan Pavilion. But, not only is the food fantastic, each experience is a little different, and this was a special one. So, keep watching. There he is, our chef and artiste. Watch this. See if you can guess what he's creating as he starts putting all the little pieces together. I honestly had no clue. Until we got to about here. And that's when it started kind of coming together for me. Honestly, how amazing is that? But he wasn't done there. He wanted to still give us our typical, little volcano steam. This time, right in Mickey's nose. See that? That was phenomenal. Speaking of phenomenal, the food, as always, absolutely delicious. Gotta throw that yum sauce all over it. Thank you so much. Yeah, he was amazing.
Well, we just got done with lunch here at Teppan Edo at the Japan Pavilion at EPCOT. And as always, I just said it in a really recent video because we dine here a lot. We just love it so much. Absolutely sensational. 5 stars. Another 5-star award. You can't beat it. It's just, did you see the artistry? How he created the Mickey there at the hibachi table? And the whole entertainment aspect of it. Just absolutely phenomenal. Seriously, if you've got a day at EPCOT, consider coming to Japan and having lunch, or early dinner over here. You will not regret it.
Overall, we had a ball at EPCOT. Pun intended.
Well, that's going to do it for another amazing day here at EPCOT. There really is just nothing like Disney World. When you go and venture out to other parks and stuff, you really come back and appreciate what Disney does in their theme parks. We had a really nice day. The Encanto, Celebración Encanto was just beautiful and loved the arepa. Lunch, as always, at Teppan Edo, just fantastic. I mean, hot, yes, it's a hot day, but never complain when we're at Disney World. Just always just so happy to be here. Everyone had a lovely day. Next up on the channel, we are going to be boarding the Utopia of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's brand new ship. She looks incredible. I cannot wait just to tour all the public spaces, bring that to you guys in the channel, try the foods. We already have a reservation at Chop's Grill at the steakhouse, so it's gonna be fun. And of course, visit the private island. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Super excited, can't wait. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And have an out of this world day, you guys. Take care.